cancer is not a disease is quite a title to grasp, because most people believe that it is a serious, probably or possibly terminal illness that can take a person's life. In my book, I describe the mechanism why cancer is coming about, and you have to come to the conclusion, once you see all the evidence behind it, that cancer cannot in fact be a disease, but basically a survival mechanism or a healing mechanism. That cancer is a symptom of an underlying cause that the body is trying to rectify and deal with by producing extra cells that we term cancer cells, and by doing so the body is trying to survive a threat that could be either due to ionizing radiation from mammograms or from CAT scans, which we now know contribute to over 70% of cancers, or toxins, heavy metals, poisons, chemicals that we ingest through the food or through the environment, which are known carcinogens that produce cancers. So when the body is reacting to try to get rid of these, then we call that cancer, but it's not really a disease in it by itself, but it's the body's response to heal itself from the impact that these external threats, environmental threats, or even psychological threats, which now we know can contribute to the occurrence of cancer, that the body deals with it in this particular way. And if we know that, then obviously we have a better grasp of what to do about cancer. Instead of trying to suppress the cancer or destroy it, we can work with the body, in harmony with the body, in concert with the body, to lead to a complete resolution of this healing process, that we don't stop it in the last stage, which is very serious if we do that, because then that will allow the cancer to continue. It never can completely be healed. So instead of destroying the cancer, we can support the body in completely healing it up. And that's a very, very different approach than trying to attack the cancer, and along with the cancer, the body, through such means as chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery, which really don't have a very high rate of success. And that shows us that these approaches are not very efficient.